Well, I'm pretty happy. Today we are at the hill as a family in our local park that's opened up. Hopefully you guys, wherever you're at in the world, your parks are opening up a little bit more too. I'm really excited because we're gonna try a brand new four-wheel drive RC truck. We're gonna see if it can climb the hill. Abby and I are both excited to do just a little bit of all-around bashing with this thing, and I want to ask you guys before we get it dirty and power it on and see how it drives, how much would you price something like this? This is classified as a 10th scale, four-wheel drive, ready-to-run vehicle with a charger and a battery. It's a 2S battery with a Dean's plug. Maybe 150 or so. Comes in under $100. That's pretty exciting. So we'll have this linked in the description box below, but full disclosure, there's something missing on this truck, and I wonder, have you guys spotted it yet?
I know what it is.
Abby, let's hear it.
There's no lights.
Nah, no, that's not it. Some vehicles don't come with lights. There's actually something missing from this.
Oh.
The top panel. There's supposed to be, just like there's a panel for the hood, paneling for the sides. There's no paneling on the top. The pictures online show a panel. The pictures on the box show a panel. We just didn't get ours. That's really weird. Of the hundreds of RC ground vehicles we've covered, we've never been missing a panel when we got ours. So heads up, if you happen to buy this, you may not get the top panel too. Yeah, let's drive. Well, here we go. This is fully proportional throttle and steering, as it should be, especially at this price point. Let's go full throttle. There it is. Not super fast, but very bash worthy. Yeah. Nice. We can do some power slides. Holds well to the road. It doesn't want to roll. That's full steering. Are you already asking for controls? What are you saying?
Drive over here.
Oh. Let's see if we can get it to flip. Maybe in the grass we could. I do like that this has a lower stance than vehicles like the 12428. Kind of Jeep-ish, kind of dune buggy-ish, and it's not going to roll over as easily as some of the ground vehicles we've seen on the channel. A lot of times you have to train yourself to ease off on the throttle, then kind of ease into steering. This one, I'm full throttle and there's full steering, and we're not flipping it. I like that. I like not having to worry about that. That's pretty cool. Abby, let's see if we can do the hill. So as you guys, hopefully most of you know, I'd say most of you are subscribers of the channel, but just in case this is one of your first videos you've ever seen on the channel, Abby and I were denied access to this hill for quite some time. And now it's opened again, and I love it. Yeah, I did the hill, no problem. First try for me. Oh, ow, ow! On that note, Abby, there you go. I didn't actually wreck though. Did you wave with your shadow? Did you do that? I thought you did. I thought I saw you waving. Okay, let's see. That didn't count. Let's see if you can get up the hill better than me, faster than me. Of course you can, because you are just better at driving ground vehicles. You veered off course at the last second, but you, oh! Oh guys, Abby, hold on. Hold on, I gotta zoom in. Did you guys see that? Could you see what happened? She made it to the top, right as I said she's amazing at driving ground vehicles, and it rolled over.
I meant to do that because I want to see if the gnomes are up there.
She says she wants to see if the gnomes were up there, yeah. Okay, do you know what she's talking about? Who here knows about the gnomes? If you don't know about the gnomes, we'll have a video for you, but we'll wait to the end of this one. Abby in her sandals. She's right about right there. She went the long way around. Let's see if the gnomes are still there. They should be at that tree right there. They're all gone? Oh, either the owners took them, they scurried back into the woods, or some kids stole them. But there were some cool gnomes up there. Guys, at the end of this video, we'll have a video popping up to show you the gnomes. All right. Abby, you look pretty epic up there on top of the hill. Just to give you guys perspective, I don't know if you guys get to see this very often. Abby, how tall are you? Like almost 6 feet, right? That's a pretty big hill. Look at you go, you just conquered it. Whoa! And you did better going down the hill than I did. Nice. This is not a bad little casual basher. Not at all. So not everyone is going to be a fan of a vehicle like this. There will be some people that watch our channel And they'll say, guys, you know, yeah, that might be $100 or so, but for another 100, double your money, you could have an amazing name brand basher. But let's not forget that not everybody just has another $100 laying around for a toy. You know, we all work hard for our money, or at least most of us do, and we always want to look out for people that want to enjoy this hobby, but maybe don't have as big a budget as some people do to spend on this hobby. Maybe this is their second or third hobby, you know? So don't give people a hard time just because they don't want to drop $1,000 on an RC car. So we're always trying to find, there are tons of duds for $100. This one so far is holding up pretty well. We love bashing on the side of the hill here. The battery that's included has a Dean's plug on it, which I love, because Dean's is the most common battery type for ground vehicles. Easy to get a hold of Dean's batteries. And I think the one that's included, I know it's 2-cell, but I want to say it's like 1800 milliamps or so. It might be a little bit bigger than that. Well, so far, Abby, it's conquering everything that you and I both are throwing at it, and we've only rolled it twice. Yeah. What do you think?
I think I have a bigger chance of rolling down the hill than it does. Oh my gosh.
So, you've had your hands at the controls for a while. What do you think so far?
It's fun. It is fun. Can't ramp, apparently.
Oh, well, I think that's because this grass is a little bit tall.
Can't get a lot of speed.
Right. It's handling the grass, but it's definitely not the fastest basher out there. But for a well-rounded basher, that's a pretty good speed. The steering servo seems to be holding pretty straight too. What do you think? I mean, I haven't noticed any stupid veering off course or anything. Now, if it does, show them the radio here. We have full trim functionality, steering rate, throttle trim, steering trim, it's all there. We've got reverses. That's not a bad radio. Honestly, for $100, this is not a bad RC. What you lose when you buy something like this is product and customer support at times. So now this is, they say 10th scale, I say it's a little bit smaller than 10th scale. I got a shot of this right by the Traxxas Stampede, which is a 10th scale monster truck. Monster trucks are going to be bigger than something like this. But overall, yeah, this is cool. As a ready-to-run vehicle, it's holding up really well. It's got a nice runtime too.
I thought I would like it over here in the gravel more than I do.
It's just sliding right around, isn't it? We have had a lot of starting and stopping in this video because there are quite a few people enjoying the park today driving by. We are not the only ones here. But just for those of you that are worried about our safety, it's social distancing paradise, really. I think it's what, over 200 acres, Abby?
Yeah, we're good.
So, have like no reverse donuts in the dirt. Yeah, that's not bad. This is not a bad RC. I'm surprised. I thought that this one would be like a, could be a pass, but it's not bad. I mean, this runtime is going to be really long on that size of battery too.
Oh yeah.
I know you would have just kept driving this until, you know, the sun goes down, and the battery is probably going to last for a while. A lot of times we like to show you guys the full charge on a ready-to-run vehicle especially, but this has a pretty good sized battery. It's going to last a little longer than what we have on camera today. This is not bad. Now, I'm not saying it's going to beat any Traxxas vehicles or Arma or anything like that, but if you have $100 in your wallet, that's all you want to spend on the hobby, this is not too bad at all. Abby and I, when we started the hobby about 7 years ago together, we bought a couple vehicles. They were short course trucks, and they were about 130 bucks each, ready to run. Stuff has come super far since then, and even this is a better overall vehicle than those Iron Track Spadas back 7 years ago. So you really can't go wrong with this if that's all you have to spend and you want to just try the hobby out. This is not bad. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Even though it's extremely hot today, I am so grateful that we got to come back to the hill and share these awesome moments and memories with you guys. It's so sad that the gnomes are gone, but we'll have a video popping up at the end here I want you guys to check out. But for all of this, all the goodness in our lives, I thank God And I thank you guys so much for watching. For the thumbs up, even the thumbs down, you rock. We love the feedback. And all of our Patreon supporters, from the bottom of our hearts, a huge extra thank you. We just could not do what we do without you guys. These names scrolling by right about now are some of our top tier supporters, and for that we thank you guys. You're awesome, you rock. The video that I've been talking about throughout this video is popping up right about now. Absolutely want you guys to check it out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.